Welcome to Part 5 of our Fire Marshal training series, Commercial Fire Detection and Fire Alarm Systems. Early detection buys time to raise the alarm, start evacuation, and call the fire and rescue service before conditions become life-threatening. In most commercial buildings, the system is designed to do three things: detect a fire, warn occupants, and support a safe evacuation. Detection can be automatic, through smoke, heat, or multi-sensor detectors, or manual, using manual call points, break glass units. Smoke detection commonly uses optical detectors, which are well suited to slow, smoldering fires, while heat detectors operate when a fixed temperature is reached or when heat rises rapidly, useful where cooking fumes, steam, or dust would trigger nuisance alarms. Some sites also use specialist detection such as beam detection in large open spaces or aspirating detection in high-value or high airflow areas. Manual call points are sited on escape routes, typically at exits, so travel distance to operate one is limited, often no more than about 45 meters, depending on risk and the applicable standard. When the system activates, the control panel triggers sounders and may interface with other systems, such as door releases, plant shutdown, or lift controls, depending on the agreed cause and effect. Audibility matters. A typical minimum target is around 65 dB in occupied areas, or at least 5 dB above background noise, and higher where sleeping accommodation is present. Your role is not to repair the system, it's to check, test, record, and report issues promptly. As a user-level routine, carry out a daily panel check for faults and power indicators, and weekly test the alarm using a different manual call point each time, recording results in the logbook. Any faults, isolations, or repeated false alarms must be reported immediately and followed up by a competent maintenance provider. Treat false alarms seriously. Investigate causes like cooking fumes, steam, dust, or device faults. Don't disable devices, fix the cause. Systems may be conventional or addressable. Addressable systems identify which device activated, helping you pinpoint issues quickly and making maintenance more efficient. Remember, detection systems require professional maintenance by competent engineers. Your role is to monitor, report, and test, not to repair or modify the system. In our next session, we'll cover emergency evacuation procedures and how to lead people to safety effectively. Thank you for your attention to fire detection systems.